Hey guys, are you looking for the absolute best replacement 7-inch headlights? Well, I have found them. These are absolutely incredible, guys. They got the brightest halos I've ever seen. They got the absolute best beam pattern I have ever seen, ever. Like, they're the brightest, best beam pattern I've ever seen. They look absolutely incredible. And they're even reasonably priced, guys. So if you're interested in checking more out about these best 7-inch headlights on the market, I'm telling you guys, right here, guys, Google that. Do your own research if you want, or check out my long form video on these. There'll be a link in the corner where I show everything about them. Beam pattern, a little bit of installation, everything that they do, night driving, you name it, guys, in that video. So check it out if you're interested in the best of the best, guys. There's that. So that is the before. All right, and here we are after, and I mean, night and day, as you can see. Look at that, guys. Unreal. These lights are absolutely amazing. They have the best beam pattern, and these are the brightest lights I have ever seen in my life. Mictuning J1 phosphorus. Unbelievable. So remember, guys, if you want to see more about these lights, click on the video up top. Also, if you want to get 15% off, guys, go in the description. There will be a link in there for 15% off. Thanks for watching. Till next time.